Let me tell you something remarkable about snakes. Snakes are very powerful entities. They are very powerful creatures. They are very powerful to reveal our state to us. If you see a snake and you run away, it means that there is a lot going on with you. I have developed this love and a deep connection with those animals. Are you getting it? They are powerful beings. They are entities that represent feminine. Okay? Um, that is why religion had to play a role in creating enmity mentally between those creatures and the woman. It's like they've created this tension between women and these creatures. But these animals are very powerful. The way they move communicates a lot about the feminine flow. They are animals that are powerful enough to see you by your spirit. They sense ego and they represent the earth. They represent nature. They represent the divine mother. Have you asked yourself why snakes are venomous? Do you know why they are venomous? They are not meant to bite you. You are not the reason why they are venomous. They don't have hands. They don't have legs. They flow. They move on their belly. So nature gave them that venomous thing in them to protect themselves, because once they don't have the legs and they don't have the hands, their defensive mechanisms become low. Are you getting it? So they are venomous because of the extent of how they are physically vulnerable, because they don't have the hands to, just unlike the other mammals that have their legs and they can adjust themselves when there is a threat. For them, they move like that. They are in their lane. But because we have been devolved as people, when we see these creatures, we kill them. If you see that animal in your house, don't be quick to cause a frenzy or a tension. No. There is a message for you. Women have a powerful energetic connection with snakes. But religion has destroyed that, because, religion knows how women, when they come to their full power, how agendas will be destroyed, their schemes will be destroyed. So the reptilians, the elites, are on the women, ensuring that they don't come to take their place. So this thing is very serious. Snakes have fourth dimension eyes. They have 4D eyes. They see your soul. They see you. That is why many can't go into nature. You see women, you see these men talking this, talking that. But when the reality comes and they go there, you see. I've been seeing snakes. When I came on this land, I've been seeing those creatures. I see them, and they are timely. They are very timely. Most of the times, after my encounter at the river, I see them. They just come to pass in front of me, and it's a message. It's a message. So, if you don't know these things, ego will overwhelm you and you'll get bitten. That is why many can't go into the nature thing we are talking about. Because the snakes will reveal themselves. The feminine will reveal yourself to you. The feminine will pick you like this and show you your ego. Men can't face that thing, so they run away. When the feminine shows them their ego, they are like, So we should understand nature. Every creation, every creature that you are seeing is part of nature. So when you see the alligators, when you see them, they are entities in their own dimension. So the ecosystem has been tampered with. That is why right now it's like we are killing ourselves. If you kill the snake, you kill yourself. You create karma. We are all one with nature. So listen, it will never be like you are going into nature and then you just got bitten by a snake. It's something serious. You don't just go and just get bit. No, they reveal themselves to you. They see you before you see them. So if you see a snake and you kill the snake, don't think you have done well. The snake saw you. And with that vibration, with that frequency you have created, you may not go into nature because you've denied yourself that access. You have denied yourself from that access. So keep being in ego, toxic masculinity, and be killing creatures. Your end, look into my eyes, your end is now. Okay.